Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the Revlon One-Step hair dryer. I'm super excited to see how this works on my hair. Firstly, I start off by taking out my twists. I did them the night before as a quick protective style after washing and conditioning my hair, and of course I use a leave-in conditioner to keep my hair nice and hydrated. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. So let's get into the fun part, unboxing the Revlon One-Step hair dryer. I've heard so much about this, like I've seen so many raving reviews, so I was so curious to see if it lived up to the hype. Before I start using heat, of course, I have to protect my hair, so I use the heat protectant. The one I'm using in the video, I'll put the link in the bio if anyone wants to check it out. So I like to use the tension method before actually brushing through with the dryer. It helps to minimize breakage and just makes it so much easier to manage my hair. So I just gently pull on the section and let the dryer do its thing. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. And boom, here's what we're working with after this one section. The length was definitely showing through, the length was dripping, and the hair just felt so soft. Once I finish this section, I like to twist it up just to keep everything organised and out of the way. Then I move on to the next section, and I keep the same process, heat protection, tension method, and brush through with the hair dryer. Oh, the struggle is real. If you wear glasses, you know exactly what this feels like. LOL! So finally, the whole head is done. To finish up, I always like to go through everything one last time with the dryer, just to smooth it out and make sure everything's all even. My hair felt so soft. That's it guys, my review of the Revlon One-Step hair dryer. I definitely think it lives up to the hype. It's so much easier than a regular hair dryer, but I really love how efficient it is, how easy it is to use, and I also got on sale, which is great. Like overall, I really loved using this product. I'm happy I bought it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments if you tried this or if you want to try it, or if you have any other recommendations, things I should try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.